Hey guys, what's up? Jeremy Schaefer here. Check out this new model I just designed. What is it? It's an origami bracelet that fits snugly on your wrist without tape or glue, unlike other tutorials out there on the internet.
I need to have this side also taped.
And you can even use it to wear origami models, such as flapping birds, flapping butterflies, remember no tape or glue, or even real flowers. And you can use it to hold arrowhead flickers. Heck, you can hold a whole wrist full of arrowhead flicker ammo. And for the arrowhead flicker tutorial, click here. For the bracelet tutorial, ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this model you just need an ordinary sheet of printer paper, 8.5 by 11 or A4 paper. As long as it's at least 11 inches on the side, that's good. And I'm going to use a scrap sheet just to be a little more ecological. Okay, this is going to be the side that faces out. So let's turn over and let's fold it in half the long way, like that. And now let's unfold and let's fold the bottom edge to the crease. And rotate and let's fold this edge to here. Now let's rotate and let's fold this short edge up just a little bit. Try to squeeze it tight so that the layers don't slide. So it's about like that. Okay, now let's fold the long edge almost to the middle. We're going to fold it about 1 millimeter short of the middle. So it's like that. And let's rotate and let's repeat on this side, about 1 millimeter short of the middle. Okay, now over here we have the little flap that we folded up. Let's rotate it so that that's nearest to you. And let's turn over and let's do a paper airplane fold. So I'm going to do this one at a time. And now let's turn back over and let's fold this flap up right between these 2 points. And now let's fold this flap so that this edge aligns with this edge. And when you make that fold, you really just need to fold from the corner to this point. And unfold. And now let's fold this edge to this edge. And once again, just from the corner to this point. And unfold. And now comes a kind of tricky step. Hold right here like this, and then grab onto this point. And you're just going to slide it out like this and flatten. And now hold right here and grab onto this flap and just slide it out like that. Alright, now we're almost done with the bracelet. We just basically need to put it on. So how to do that? Let's first size it. So put it around your wrist like this and wrap it around so that it's exactly the size and comfort that you want. So you don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose. So when you have your desired size of bracelet, then you want to fold this flap over so that the fold is even with this edge. Like that. And now let these flaps go down. And now you need to reverse this crease. So unfold it and fold right on the crease. Like that. Okay, now let's put it back on the wrist and bring it around like this and insert this flap into the pocket. like that. And now to make it stay, all you have to do is stick these two flaps inside. So what you want to do is just wrap them inside the bracelet, like that. And same thing on this side. And there we have it. And now you can stick the arrowhead flickers inside. Like that. And now you have a whole wrist full of flicker ammo. Just pull them out and whew. So there it is. And once again, for the flicker arrowhead tutorial, click right here. One more thing I want to show you is the best way, I think, to stick models in. I mean, you could just stick them in while the bracelet's on your wrist. Like I'm sticking this crane in by its tail, and you can just kind of slide it in, and that will maybe stay on if you're really gentle, but if it gets hit, it's just gonna fall right off. So I'm going to show you how to make it stay on permanently. Well, at least a lot more permanently. So what you have to do is first take off the bracelet by taking the flaps out, and it comes out, and then turn it over. And now you want to put the model in. Now it's a lot easier to put it in. You see I'm just sticking the crane tail flap inside there. And I'm also going to stick this butterfly, this flapping butterfly that I taught right here, and I'll stick that in by its tail. So it goes in like this. And now the idea to make them stay really well is that you want to fold this edge behind. So you want to make sure that they're in by pinching it right here. And now you want to fold this edge behind. So it's like that, and I guess I need to do it individually. Okay, and like that. So what I'm doing, I'm going to turn over so that you can see, is I'm going to fold this edge to the crease, like that. So let's fold this edge right to the crease. Like that, and up to here. So it's just like that. And now let's put it back on. Now this flap goes into the pocket like that, and this is already secured. Now we just need to tuck this flap in. And now you see we have the bracelet with the butterfly well attached, and over here we have the crane well attached. And let's see if the butterfly flaps. Yes, it does. So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and I'll see you later. Ooh, the crane also flaps. Bye-bye.